Did you know that flows can literally help your brand make money while you sleep? In fact, the top 25% of all Klaviyo customers have set up at least 7 flows. In this video, we'll uncover the 3 best practices for driving revenue with text message flows. But first, if you're finding this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Now let's jump in. Best practice number 1. Establish a dedicated welcome series for text. The direct and instant nature of receiving a text message makes it ideal for capturing attention and engaging customers right from the start. It's vital to have distinct welcome series for both text and email subscriptions. Craft your initial message to send a quick thank you and set clear expectations about what customers can expect from your brand through text. And to help customers see the value of joining your list right away, consider offering a discount or reward. If you want to drive engagement and add value beyond just a discount, consider sharing a fun fact or educational content about your top product, or encouraging them to join your community. And be sure to add your virtual contact card. This will not only help subscribers save your contact details quickly, but it also enhances brand recognition and trust from interaction. Best practice number 2, integrate text messages into your high-performing email flows. Customers are on their phones, so why not meet them there? Take advantage of this by enhancing time-sensitive email flows like abandoned cart notifications and limited-time offers. Also targeting customers via text. Combining channels also helps you streamline performance monitoring and A/B testing, which gives you a better understanding of how customers interact with your messages across both channels. This omnichannel approach helps you provide timely and relevant information when customers need it, and you can easily track the success of your flows. Best practice number 3, add text to your retention flows. While abandoned cart reminders and limited time offers are great ways to engage customers and drive sales, not all flows need to drive revenue. Post-purchase flows, for example, can provide transactional messages like order confirmation and shipping status, as well as a heartfelt thank you and requests for feedback. Text is a great channel for those more transactional messages because it provides your customer key information quickly. And that's it. Now you have the knowledge to automate the perfect experience for your text subscribers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the description for more content like this to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.